VT Entertainers presents OFFBEAT. What is OFFBEAT? Year 2015. A noble thought of celebrating the uncelebrated takes shape in Dr. Vasudha Tirtharam's mind. And soon, her brainchild, OFFBEAT, a musical fundraiser, is born. Unsung heroes of our society and the unsung aspects of Hindi cinema are showcased in this musical extravaganza, the proceeds of which cater to the needs of the differently abled citizens of our society. Philanthropists come forward to contribute their mite. Chaudhaya Memorial Hall is packed to its fullest as music lovers throng to witness a true musical spectacle. OFFBEAT becomes an annual musical fundraiser to support residential homes for the less privileged citizens of our society. With the best of singers and musicians and the best of playlists and anchors, OFFBEAT today stands out in every aspect. Our beneficiaries. Our singers. Some signature performances.
ये दिल और उनकी निगाहों के साए मुझे घेर लेते हैं बाहों के साए
तुमको चाह के तुम बिन आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा रे तेरा गजरा
Our anchors. And here's what some passionate fans have to say about OFFBEAT.
ಆಫ್ಬೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು 2015ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Vasudha Tirtharam is a force of nature, a woman of substance, a woman of compassion. Her brainchild, OFFBEAT, is a reflection of these character traits.
I am one of the most regular people who've been attending OFFBEAT over so many years now.
OFFBEAT, as the name suggests, it is a distinct, unusual, unconventional musical evening.
ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಸಂಗೀತಮಯ ರಸಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
More than a concert, it is a musical experience
that has been curated with such care, such diligence from Vasudha and the team.
Through music, OFFBEAT reaches out to the hearts of people everywhere.
They're very audience-centric.
It started with a noble thought, and it is a 100% non-commercial show, always done for a social cause.
Awakening the best in us so that those in need, our differently abled citizens, are provided with the support and the assistance that they require.
because it's not just about music, it's also about a story behind each song, the way they are compiled, the theme that is selected every year on year, to come up with something new, to come up with something exciting.
It has been a grand success ever since it started. It has been a 100% sold out show.
Every time we listen to a song or tap our feet to a beat, we get reminded of offbeat, a ritual which we never fail to celebrate.
ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರಸಮಯ. ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಫ್ ಬೀಟನ್ನು ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ.
Come, be a part of this noble celebration called OFFBEAT.